Color papers, Fevicol, pencil, scissors and scale. First, take a piece of square paper and fold it into half. Same like this side. And we have to fold this into half like this. Same for the other sides. This side too. Now, with the help of a pencil, draw lines over from this point to this point, like this, see? And here and here and here for the all sides. After drawing, you have to get a diamond in the middle, and let's start scoring the lines. I'm using a scissor for scoring. You can use this scoring tool too. After scoring, it looks like this. Now we have to score all these lines. Like this. And you don't score this line because it will not look nice. Okay. Now I will tell you how to fold this card. First, we have to fold this as a diagonal like this and like this, and same like this we have to do. See? And for the last card, you have to take this like this and then fold it and then press it like this. Ta-da! See it? If you don't know to fold, you can use this method too. Just pull it like this and then. Now if you don't know how to fold in that method, you can fold in this method too. Just do it and tilt it like this. Like this. That's it. It will be very easy. For first time you are doing, it will be little bit tough. Okay? For decorating this card, I am using two colors of color paper. For a perfect presentation, you can erase these lines like this. I'm using red color square paper for the 4 corners
and 4 triangles.
Other all or black. Now we are going to stick the all. I will show you how to fold it. First fold like this and then now I will open it and show you. Suggestions for our next video are welcome in comment section below. Those who point out the most amount of mistake in the video, their name will be showed in the next video. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe here.